Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the episode of Pink Bassin, man. Y'all already know the vibes, and we own it, man. If y'all new to this channel, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and give your boy a thumbs up if y'all enjoying my content. I appreciate all the support, man. But yeah, we at another one of my local spots, the one I caught my 8-pound at, but it's a little slow, but hopefully we can get on to something. But right now, I just got rigged up a little pencil. We'll talk with a little pencil bait, fish head underspin. I think my bro, he got that big stupid jerk bait on. And a little Texas rig, Cinco. But yeah, man, shoot, we finna get on, man. Hey, stay tuned. Let's get it. The one I'm gonna start off with, guys, that pencil. Little top water. Oh, man. Man, something must be too loose or too. Hopefully my jits ain't been messing with my thing. My first cat, that thing done backlash the screw. Take me out of there though. Oh, it's a little windy. It just ain't too windy. I might go under the water. I'm gonna start under the water. Switch it up to the underspin. I be knowing there's more bass in though, more big ones at least. But it's like every time we come out here, the grass look different. Like this spot whenever it's clear like this. You said that bit look small. That bit look straight to me. It look like it's at least over a pound.
In this bush.
Oh, get him on out of there. Playing with him.
He up there hitting it, but I ain't know if it was the little bush or the tree.
Oh, that was straight.
Yeah, he was showing up. I thought it was the little bush right here.
Little pretty little light skin, little dinky. Little light skin. It's crazy because like I see your line just moving, but
it got straight. But
you said you thought it was the tree.
That little patch right there. Let me make sure.
Oh man.
I might get kingpin. I might get kingpin.
Oh dang if it. Oh, there it open.
Oh my God. Yes sir.
Let's go.
Hold on, B.
Hold on. Go ahead, do your thing. Go ahead. I'm slowing down. We on.
But you got a fish head underspin on?
Oh yeah, we on.
Oh my God.
Oh, bro, it's two of them. It's two of them. They're together. They're together, bro.
Hold up, bring them back out.
It's another one.
I'm gonna see if I can get him. Where you at?
It's another one with it, bro. It's another one with it.
Where you at?
It was right there, bro. Following it the whole time, right beside it, bro.
That's a monster, man.
The whole time it was right beside it. That's crazy. Oh, he got off. We going crazy.
Too much noise.
Bro, the one that was with this one was about this size or bigger, bro.
I seen it.
It was about this size or bigger. Look at that. That's just a nice one.
They right here, bro.
Bro, this one about like a solid, about a 3.5, close to a 4.
They out here, man.
About high 3s. All right, we're gonna get a release on her, baby. Get on out of there. Ooh.
Let me stop playing to get in front of this little patch. That's why I'm getting my hit set. That's why I'm getting on there, right?
I'm talking about they right beside each other. I'm really slow. Like to get you recording, man, the whole time, like as soon as I brought it close, it's right there beside each other, bro. Just mingling with his prey.
Let me know, Lord.
it was just mingling with his prey, man. I'm like, man, that's crazy. Oh. Get me out of there. Get me out of there. Oh, get right. He recorded. Bro, you was recording me the whole time.
No, I was trying to save it so I could post it.
Oh, and he. I told you it was one right here, bro. That was Roman. You thought I was playing? Yes, it's on my camera, bro.
I'm up here recording this. My line take off, but I reel with my right hand, so I just yank back and walk back. The fish came all the way to the edge, got off and took off.
Bro, and then when they got off, bro, that jump with the, man, that's just skipping across the water. Straight skiing. All of them little nice, little healthy ones too.
Nice one, that you had.
Yeah, that one you had was a little bigger than mine. That one probably like close to a 2. Bro, it's one still sitting right here, bro. Look, you see it?
Hold on.
Look at it, bro. It's a nice one's fat. I know you see that dark shadow. Get right. Bro, she's just sitting right here, bro. You can see him. He gonna hit that, bro.
Make sure my drag's right.
Yes, make sure it's right. Because that one like it's about a solid 5, bro.
That might be a 6, bro.
That one looks solid, bro.
Oh my God.
You could tell it's a big one because it ain't gonna hit off rip.
Oh my God. Look at that.
Come on, Bob Bell. It ain't gonna hit off rip. But he there though, bro. That one ain't stupid. The rest of these little dink, these little one close 2 pounder. They gonna hit, but that one there, he is not stupid, bro. You gotta really try to get him to really just hit. Probably if you had a jig or something, you just pop it in their face. But he right there. Man, bro, we going crazy today.
He swam off again.
I'm telling you, he right there. He ain't stupid. His bed up. Oh, he right there. He back. He came back. You can see him. All right, little dinky. This is crazy, man. We can see him. So stupid Florida weather. You come out here and it's cold. Next 5 minutes you burning. Ooh. Oh. Like this whole little area right here is his territory where he don't want to hit. This is area. Oh, look. Come on. Get out. Let's go, bro.
Oh,
This nice one? Oh, that's a little dinky.
I told you. And he threw my water slap off.
Ooh, let's go. We found the juice. But you still could do something because you weightless.
Uh-oh, there you go right there.
I told you, shit, they'll hit. And they be decent.
In here, nice size.
Yeah, I'm telling you, they all be decent. And they'll fight. Nice little Slabbertons. Oh, Slabberton. Boom, boom. I had one just then. I seen when he hit it. He had it in his mouth, but he ain't swallowed it. Told you, but they be right here in front of us. Slabbertar. Slabbertar.
Hey. Oh my God.
I'm gonna try to pencil out here. See if I can get her going.
They hit it hard.
Heck yeah. They'll knock it out the water. Like that Chapo. All right.
Oh my God.
Seen it?
Oh my God.
Again,
That's
look.
a good one.
He came out the water for that.
That's a good one. I'm about to put on mine. Don't worry about it.
He fighting hard too, boy.
You won't believe I just got one.
Double up. Oh, he had a double up. Ooh, that's a slab. That's a slabator. He came back to bite. That twice. Oh, I don't be playing with trouble hooks.
Hold on, I'm finna get. Hold on, let me get.
Like, I got caught with a trouble hook out here.
Don't worry about it.
Yes, sir.
Or should I put on that frog? I'm finna get some frog action. No, I'm finna put on that pop. What you did. Where your tweezers at?
Right there. First cat, he thought I was playing. Mm-hmm. That old pencil. I told you, bro. It's crazy. He coming back for it too. He coming back. Told you. Oh, he missed it. Before this water got shallow like this, I couldn't see none of this seaweed. It's one in that area. Right where you at, it always be one in that area. Told you.
Oh, you missed.
Mm-hmm. It's crazy. Turn, bro. I'll be speaking it to existence, bro. It's crazy how you missed that, because I think you was on the pause too. Weren't you on the pause?
I ain't even get the pause. I turned around and heard it.
You was on the pause when he hit it. They hitting anything that, you know what I'm saying? Bro, there's a man that, there's a guy that been living out here 8 years, and he say, man, I never seen nobody ever fishing here. I've been living out here 8 years. You're the first person I ever seen fish out here.
Oh, there you go. Oh my God.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
Come on up out of there.
Hot water. What that is you using?
It's like a pencil.
A pencil.
I forgot exactly what it's called, but it's a pencil though.
I see off of that. That one bigger than the last one.
Mm-hmm.
That's a slab. That got to be 3 pounds. 2.5.
Yeah, 2.5, close to 3.
Hot water. What that is you using?
Ooh.
A pencil.
I forgot exactly what it's called, but I gotta look it up. But I know it's a pencil though. Well, my partner, he already threw his fish back in, but my
Damn, I thought you
GoPro had cut off. We had just doubled up. We just threw his bite.
Oh, don't worry about it. I'm gonna give him another one. Oh,
Get right.
my lip just trying to go back to the water. Don't worry about it.
Ooh, look how she coming through there slowly. She showing up, making her slow appearance. Oh. That's the only thing about that thing yet. So mucky.
Oh my God, that's another one.
Mm-hmm.
And that's bigger than, probably bigger than the last one. Let me see if I get the retrieve again.
I'm trying to slow it down.
There you go. Off the pencil again. I think it's bigger than the last one.
Ooh. They all slabs, all slabs.
I'm gonna get mad. I am mad. It's funny to get mad.
Bro, I told you, bro, you can't just give up like that quick on that popper. And they all decent, bro, when they hit that top water, bro. Oh, he had a hit right there in front of you? That's why I got that pencil just going crazy. I know it's at the top. I ain't gotta really worry about too much of that seaweed. I just gotta look for a top with a bite. Bro, it's so crazy how you got so used to it, just like that. You know what I'm saying? You doing all that talking. I'm like ready to take it off. And look what happened. Look what's going on, huh? And then she fighting good. Oh!
Oh God!
Trying to get all the way over there in that corner. Try to bring them out. That vibration gonna bring them on out of that hole. Mm-hmm. Oh, I say every hit was aggressive. So you see how that one was. You heard that bit, blah. But with that chopper, that jump was stupid crazy how they win that. I'm just reeling, bro. Zach, how you reeling?
It's nice.
Mm-hmm. Exactly how you reeling. Yeah, I see him.
Oh, he won't even come. Oh.
I'm telling you.
Oh, boy.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
God.
I'm telling you, bro. Maintain that. Ooh, man.
Stay down.
Yeah.
Stay down.
Keep that pole down.
Stay down.
Oh, it's barely hooked. Hold it. Dang, hold on. Start. Don't move. No, you just keep tension. You keep the tension.
Oh my God.
Slap.
Bro.
Slap.
I knew when it wasn't coming up.
See how you keep telling you, but you gotta keep faith, man. You were ready to change. If you would have changed me, you probably would never caught that, bro. I gotta get you a pic of that. Oops. It's about a good fold. Get on out of there, baby. Big girl.
I knew it was big.
Aggressive.
He didn't jump up, and when I tried to pull him up, he would not come up. I seen his side right at the.
I seen the side to you like,
I said, ooh.
you was like, oh, Big, you see that? See that whole yellow on the wall? I said, oh, yeah, that's a slab there.
I said, yeah,
I said, that's a slab there, bro. As y'all can see, like I say, man, that pond ain't nothing but that big, bro. We caught what, like 5?
Good one too.
Like every other cast. It's like I cast 2 times, probably no bite. Boom, there it is again.
Oh.
Oh, the bluegill.
What the?
That's a slab.
Oh. I got a bluegill.
Man, god damn.
What the fuck?
Oh my god. Bro, god, what the? Bro, we gotta get a picture of that.
Shit.
That's a, look at this.
And
Bro,
that's a legal hook. You see how it's hooked? Cause you know them people.
Bro, he bit it too, bro.
On your YouTube channel, they got. Let me see. I ain't trying to get hit by them.
Bro, he bit it too, bro.
Yeah, he hit it hard. They can see that.
Bro, look how big.
They can see that that's a legal hook.
Oh.
Not the water.
You couldn't really see cause that sun. When I did see it, I'm like, get a good release on that, bro.
Yeah.
They don't get no better than that.
I'm trying to tell you, you got
Bluegills, man.
juice all on me. Bro, we got so many. Another catcher at least. I know
Look at
she
that.
gonna take off.
Bluegill, super fat bluegill, bro. That thing is straight slab, man. That look munchy. They probably ain't worrying about the pencil.
Oh my God.
You see how the pencil flew, bro?
Oh my God.
I know the camera caught that, bro. That pencil flew out of the water, bro.
Oh my God.
Like it ain't even popping right.
Oh. Oh,
You
I got
good? You
hooked.
good?
I got hooked.
No, you
I
ain't.
got hooked.
You ain't
I
good.
swear to God.
Your body hook?
Oh my God. Oh, get my phone.
Your pants hook or your body hook?
Body. My thigh. Oh, it's deep.
You lying.
I swear to God, bro. It's on my thigh. Oh my God.
Can you pull it out? My bad, bro. It hurt bad?
No. Oh my.
Is that?
Oh, cut your line. Cut your line. It ain't cut. Like, if I gotta yank it out. It gonna hurt so bad.
It's in your skin?
Yeah, but it in my thigh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh
what the
my
thing
God.
is?
Cut the line.
My bad, bro.
Oh, God.
You ain't hurting this though.
And we were just talking about this. And I tried it.
Hey, listen, it ain't funny, but it's funny. But
Fuck, cut your line. Cut your line. Oh, don't pull it, don't pull it, don't pull it, don't pull it, don't pull it.
I'm trying to get it to cut. Hold up. There it is.
Bro, look, I ain't gonna let you gonna see. Look, bro. Look.
That been right. Ooh.
Oh my God, bro, that bitch is starting to hurt, boy.
Do you think you can get it out?
Yeah, but that bitch is gonna hurt.
Just 1, 2, 3 and count. 1, 2, 3 and count. Damn, my bad, yep.
Oh my God.
I ain't gonna even lie, man. After that, guys, man, we ain't even fished that long, guys. Look, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I felt pretty bad. Like, I really started to feel bad. Like, at first it was funny, bro, but then, like, when I know, like, he had to, like, it was stuck in him that bad to the point he had to, basically, like a re-pierce, like, he had to stick the trouble hooks all the way through, make it pop out the other side of his skin, like the sharp part, the hook part. He had to clip that off. Luckily, it was just one in and not 3 of the trouble hooks in, but it was one of them in. He had to clip that off and then re-stick the trouble back through, bro, and bring it out. And that joint, it was, nah. I ain't gonna lie, like, at first, like I said, it was funny, but again, it wasn't, bro. I felt that pain, bro. I thought we literally broke for a second, like we were about to go to the hospital. But we didn't, but, man, other than that, though, it turned out to be a very great day. I ain't gonna lie, man. I enjoyed it, man. I hope you guys enjoyed it, man. If y'all did, man, like I said, bro, give your boy a thumbs up, man. I'm gonna keep dropping these videos for y'all. Yeah, I know I'm late, but happy new year to y'all, man. Y'all be safe out there, man. Over and out. Gone.